Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to buy Usdt on Binance. Open Binance, complete KYC verification, deposit funds via bank transfer or card, then go to Trade or Convert, pick Usdt, choose Market or Limit, enter the amount, review fees and price, confirm the order, and check your wallet for Usdt. I will also highlight common fees, verification tips, and how to secure your account. Stay tuned for a quick demo. Start by registering with an email or phone number and choosing a unique password you do not reuse. Complete identity verification to unlock fiat options and higher limits. Enable two-factor authentication with an app for daily protection. Set withdrawal whitelist and confirm any linked devices. Keep recovery information offline and review security notifications regularly to catch suspicious activity early and reduce risk while trading Usdt. Choose Convert when you want a quick swap without order book complexity, and choose Spot if you prefer control over price with limit orders. For lower fees or local payment methods, consider P2P trading with verified sellers and clear trade terms. Always double-check payment instructions, confirm seller reputation, and wait for on-platform confirmation before releasing funds. Track fees, slippage, and network confirmations to ensure your Usdt arrives safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.